This 2013 GMC Acadia is brought to you by Original Owner Autos, Inc. For sale, we are selling this fine example of the GMC Acadia. This SLT is loaded up with all your goodies. Number 39, they've been looking for and has a beautiful interior with the brown color, FLP down seats and third row seating. Comfortable sitting all the way back there, gripping weatherproof all-wheel drive system with the winter packages and entertainment packages. The 2013 gets a new style and this Acadia is in great shape. The new looks is amazing. This one has the upgraded wheels and interior, navigation and infotainment system with the 300 horsepower motor and premium sound system as well. Very comfortable ride on this truck. The all-wheel drive system is flawless and it has a lot of options to use and make life easier. This is a one-owner truck and has been appreciated as such, being in very good condition and well maintained. This truck is ready to go. Non-smoker vehicle. All the brown leather interior is in great shape, all the way back to the rear flip seats. The new GMC Acadia is quite easily. Visit us at originalautos.com.